What do you do with the big black coal? I asked the railroad train. Do you really swallow big lumps whole? And does it bring you pain?
The train said no, I chew, 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 chew. That's all I ever really do. I chew, 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 chew.
What do you do when the fire is hot? I asked the railroad train. If you swallow flames